Every once in a while, there's one of those mug shots that goes out there that goes viral for how good that person looks in their darkest hours. It was like there was that goofy motherfucker who had the big triangle neck, and then I think I seen that close to the end here or something like that when I let this motherfucker who ended up getting a modeling contract off the back of this, or it was something like that, or he looks terribly worse than any. Oh, in real life, as opposed to any picture that he takes there. It was something goofy like that. But every once in a while, you catch a fucking bad case of the simping for this dumb shit like this. Like, look at this fucking 5, maybe. I don't really know. And let's just the simping is off the fucking rails right now. Nyla Murrell-French, a 22-year-old inmate serving a 7-year prison sentence at an adult detention center in Minneapolis, Minnesota. No shit. For stabbing a woman in the neck during the 2018 gas station altercation is being crowned the internet's latest Prison Bay pinup. No. Have you guys seen Prison Bay tweeted a titillated, lonely cat man or cat person? Who knows? Guys, we are about to risk it all to save her from jail, he added. Ugh. Noting the thousands of comments men have left under the pretty prisoner's pics, promising to send her money and to bust her out of the big house. Simpin' ain't easy. Fucking Christ. In the post, which should garnered more than 10,000 likes, it is captioned "Merry Christmas to this from the pretty gangsta." She stabbed somebody in the fucking neck, and you can't find a fucking another 6 that's out there. Seriously, 6 might be generous. Captivating convict is sitting cross-legged in prison-issued gray sweats and cutting a cute smirk. And Murrell-French's wannabe post-prison paramours has since been fawning all over with digital marriage proposals and vows to lavish her with monetary gifts. Fuck off. Eddie, let me know when you get out. One hopeful, lonely motherfucker. Wrote on Facebook emphasizing his affections for the criminal with a row of engagement ring emojis and heart-filled smiley faces. This makes me physically fucking ill. This makes my skin crawl. What's your bond? Commented another. W2s are going to go out, and I've been saving for a crib, but I'll spend it to get you out. Wait, what? Do you guys think that this is actually gonna work? I guess this has probably happened forever. Like, you always remember hearing those different stories about this serial murderers getting like desperate women as pen pals, but no, I guess it's just making it to the digital age, just making me want to throw up. Whatever she did, she's forgiven. Stabbing a woman in the neck, free her fine ass right now. No, literally, there's thousands of them walking the street. There's like nothing spectacular. This is the most fucking generic bitch I've seen in my fucking life, and people are losing their mind over this? I don't get it. Only somebody who's like, ooh, I'd like to snap off a piece, finally fucking figured it out. I was like, heart eye emoji until I found out what she went to jail for. SMDH, suck my dick hard. A disenchanted detractor wrote, citing Murrell-French's first-degree assault charge. No shit. Okay. You can't just go around stabbing anyone in the neck and let to be free out and not do any prison time. Yeah, but she's cute, I guess. I don't fucking know. In April of 2019, then 19-year-old Murrell-French was sentenced to 7 years in prison for stabbing another girl in the neck during a fight at a St. Paul gas station in June of 2018. 7 years in 2019. Victim was hospitalized for a collapsed lung and injuries to her jugular. During the sentencing, Murrell-French, who has amassed a whopping 9 theft charges shortly after the stabbing. Really good person that you have here. And you know how many other hearts on Twitter she stole? Ugh. Reportedly cried and apologized for what she said was a mistake. Okay, you don't steal anything as a mistake. And maybe she was just trying to preemptively pull the Kim Potter defense. She thought she was punching her in the throat, but forgot that she had a knife in her hand. Didn't even know she had a knife in her hand, okay? But in the wake of her trending popularity, a less weepy Murrell-French took to Facebook, thanking her newfound fan base for their kind remarks and dropping her fucking Venmo account number. Whatever. Okay, I guess it's just giving a bunch of losers a reason to set up another countdown clock for when this bitch gets out and opens up an OnlyFans page. Whatever. We got another interesting story as well, because that one just makes me sad, and then this one is just absolutely retarded. And if it would ever fucking load. So we got a bodybuilder here. We got this fucking roided out mongrel, okay? A Dino Tomassetti. No shit. A bodybuilder accused of shooting Long Island parents waives rights to a New Jersey extradition. Okay. So he's getting extradited back to New Jersey, living on Long Island, gonna have to do his time. I could, like, okay, maybe in my younger years, I could get angry at my parents, but now I'm a 31-year-old man. I couldn't imagine, and this dude's, 29, okay, so we're in similar situations, but I guess roids are a motherfucker. I would never, ever, 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 ever consider shooting my parents. That's super fucked. Bodybuilder suspected of shooting his parents at the sprawling Long Island mansion. Okay. Has waived his rights to an extradition hearing in New Jersey and will be sent back to New York this week to face charges. Yeah, obviously. Okay. Like, you never win this stuff. Okay. You committed a crime in the place where you're trying to get extradited to. It never tends to go in your favor if you try to lobby against that stuff. That's what Kyle Rittenhouse's defense team, the first defense team, not Mark Richards, but the John Pierce Linwood fucking insanity cabal, they were trying to fight extradition when Kyle was being held in Illinois in order to stop the extradition and the trial from happening in Wisconsin. It was never going to happen, and it ended up just keeping Kyle in jail longer. So this guy, I don't know, at least fucking figured it out. Okay, he got a little bit of that d-bol clarity, I suppose. Dino Tomassetti, 29, of Brooklyn, made a brief virtual appearance in court in Bergen County, New Jersey on Monday afternoon when he agreed to be shipped directly to Nassau County Court for the case. A personal trainer from East Williamsburg had been held in the Bergen County Jail since the local December 25th arrest on the fugitive from justice warrant out of Nassau County. Tomassetti was nabbed in the Garden State on Christmas Day while allegedly fleeing from the scene of the shooting at his parents' $3.2 million home in Tony Hewlett Harbor. Okay, someplace out on fucking Long Island. I don't really know. He's in decent shape, okay? He's got shitty definition, but that's what you get when you fucking get your gains out of a bottle. Sucks to suck. Police arrived at the mansion around 10 a.m. That day to find 64-year-old Vincenza Mariscona Tomassetti. Wow. I could literally hear the grease rolling off this dude. With a bullet wound in her head. Wait, that's a woman? Fair enough. To her head, and a 64-year-old Rocco Tomassetti, shot in the back. Officer tracked Dino and his 2017 white Cadillac Escalade. Sure he bought and paid for himself, using GPS, and contracted the Mahwah Police Department for assistance when he reached the area a few hours later. His mom and dad underwent surgery for their wounds. The father, who had a construction empire, is reportedly in more serious conditions. Oh, thank God they're not dead. I thought they were. They were just shot in the head. Interesting. Dino has yet to be officially charged over the shooting, but he's being extradited for the purposes of charging him, I would imagine. He appeared before Judge Mitchell Steinhardt on Monday and was represented by a lawyer from the New Jersey, public defender. Nassau County Police Department didn't exactly say with a 5'9". 5'9". If you can't get tall, get wide. 5'9", 235, pretty thick for being 230, for being a 5'9", but last time I was 5'9", was I 10? Was I 11? Don't really remember. Suspect would be hauled back to Long Island. Judge clerk said defendants are typically transported within 2 days. Yeah, exactly. Friends described the pumped-up suspect as a gentle giant and were shocked at the thought that he may have taken a gun to his parents. Yeah, no shit. Wow, fucking nice place. That kind of looks like a Johnny Sacks place. Dino is a good guy, eh? I've never seen him get upset, said a gym buddy who gave his name as Chris. If someone came to the gym and said, "Can you help me?" he'd be there right away. Yeah, I got this really fucking itchy thing on my head. If you could just go ahead and try to knock it off. Not with your 9. Dino, stop. What a bag of shit. There we go. Every once in a while, I like to cover these lesser covered little crime stories that are out there. Mostly for my own efficacy, because I find them interesting. And this one right here, somebody going in and seemingly unprovokedly shooting his parents. I would very much like to know what precipitated this. Okay, were they gonna impound his Cadillac Escalade? Were they gonna take him off cycle early? Something must have happened, because they seem nice enough, at least by this nice picture there. Obviously, they're, you know what, well-traveled, very expensive, very swanky individuals. So I hope they pull through. Hopefully something happens to this sack of shit. But with that said, thank you all very much for the gift of your time. I've been Don Consuelo. I want you to follow your gut and get after it. Take care, everyone.